Mike from All Pro Quality Garage Doors in sunny San Diego. Today I'm going to do a video not on a garage door opener, but on a garage door. I haven't done one of these yet. It'd be kind of interesting to see a start to finish. I'm going to do a one-piece wooden door. I got the lumber right here. I got the plywood. I got the caulking. I got the nails, everything else. We're going to build this from the ground up, go out to the customer's house, and hang it. Now, she can't get a sectional door, or she probably can, but she's in a duplex where the neighbor has to get one too. And she uses it not to live in, but to store things. So she bought half of a duplex and uses it for storage. So I have to replicate what's out there. I'm going to use her existing truss rods. But other than that, will be from the ground up will be scratch. So let me get set up here, and we'll start nailing this stuff together. And I'm going to start videotaping it piece by piece, speeding it up, seeing if I can keep this video as short as possible. If not, I'll have to cut it into a few segments. But hopefully I can get it all done in one shot. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, so here we got the plans for the door. Opening's 15.9 wide. I'm going to make it about 15.8 1/4. Split the difference between 3/4 of an inch on both sides. I've got some ply to rip to 5.5, and then we're going to create this design to match the existing door. Let me step back here. A couple of things we're going to need: some caulking, a router, a drill, a stapler, 20 penny nails, staples, a few 16 penny nails, a chop saw, a worm drive saw, of course a hammer, wonder bar. There'll be a few other tools used along the way, but for now, that's what we're going to start building this door with. Okay, I don't know how good the audio is going to be, but I'm going to roll out in the alley like this. I'm just going to leave the camera on, speed it up later. The end rails here, I'm going to examine them and see which way I want to flip them. You got to be real particular about how the wood goes together. You don't just hodgepodge it together. You got to check everything. The bow in the wood, the knots, which end you want to cut off. It's pretty detailed, so I'm just going to let it record, cut out what I need to in editing. But try to film it just like this with a very few camera adjustments, but I will adjust. Okay, so we got the frame, we got the ply, we got it skinned, we the bottom weather strip on. Now we're going to rip the design. 3/8 roughs on, 5 1/4 inch wide. We're going to pull the table saw out. We're going to rip a gang load of strips. And then tomorrow, when it's nice and overcast, we're going to attach the strips and caulk around the edges. We're going to wrap this up tomorrow. Pretty sure my freshly shaved dome is getting burned. And, hopefully we can wrap it up tomorrow.